What if I told you those empty bottles lying around your home could turn into stunning decor pieces without spending big money? Stay with me, and I'll show you how to transform trash into treasure. Welcome back. In today's video, we're exploring creative and budget-friendly ways to use old bottles for home decor. Whether it's glass, plastic, or wine bottles, you'll learn easy tricks to give your space a fresh and stylish look. The best part? You don't need professional tools, just simple items you already have. Practical suggestions: 1. Painted vase bottles. Take old glass bottles, clean them, and spray paint them in pastel or metallic shades. They instantly become chic vases for fresh or artificial flowers. Spray paint costs around $5, while store-bought designer vases can cost $20 to $30. 2. String light bottle lamps. Insert small fairy lights inside clear bottles. It makes a cozy lamp for your bedroom or living room. A set of fairy lights is usually under $8, while decorative lamps can cost $25 or more. 3. Rope wrap rustic bottles. Wrap thick jute rope or twine around bottles using glue. These look perfect as centerpieces or rustic-style decor. A roll of jute rope costs around $3, compared to rustic pieces in shops that sell for $15 to $20. Explain the tools in a practical way: glue gun or strong craft glue to hold rope, beads, or decorations firmly. Spray paint or acrylic paints for quick color changes and smooth finish. Scissors and cutter for trimming ropes and opening bottle tops neatly. Fairy lights for warm and glowing bottle decor. Quick tips: always clean and dry bottles before decorating to make paint stick better. Use a mix of tall and short bottles to create balance in your decor setup. Try adding beads, glitter, or lace for a more personal touch. Cost comparison for clarity. DIY bottle decor projects cost between $3 to $10 each, while similar items in stores often sell for $20 to $50. That's a huge saving, and you get to design it exactly how you like. So don't throw away those old bottles, turn them into stylish home decor with these simple DIY tricks. If you enjoyed these ideas, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. More creative home hacks are coming your way.